What's up guys, Mixology Matt here, Caribbean's favorite mixologist, because today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Mai Tai. The 1944 Mai Tai is literally perfect. If I see another resort turn this into a neon green sugar bomb, I'm going to lose my shit. So let me teach you how to make it the proper way. Mai Tai is a take on a sour style cocktail. It features rum, orange liqueur, and it has a specific syrup called orgeat, or in Italian, orzata. It's got a really nice almond flavor to it. It's gonna be the star of the show in our Mai Tai. Let's make it. We'll start with some freshly squeezed lime juice. We need about 1 ounce, or give or take 1 whole lime. 1 ounce of lime juice. Don't throw out the spent lime shell. This is gonna be one of our garnishes at the end. So we're gonna put this off to the side for now. One of the primary ingredients for our Mai Tai is going to be orgeat. Thank you to the team from Fabri for giving me this bottle. I'm using their Italian orzata. 1/2 ounce. This is like almond syrup if you've never had it before. It's gonna give it a nice nuttiness to our cocktail. To finish off with our sweet component, we're gonna be adding in some simple syrup. This is cane sugar simple syrup. We're gonna do about 1/4 ounce here. Not a lot. Now we're gonna feature some orange liqueur. This is Pierre Ferrand's dry Curacao. It's gonna give that beautiful orange flavor without adding any sweetness because we already have a lot of syrup in the cocktail. 1/2 ounce of our Pierre Ferrand dry Curacao. In we go. And of course, the star of the show, we have rum from the Boom Boo Rum Company. It is a blend of Barbados rum. Typically, an authentic Mai Tai will use Jamaican rum, but I find the Boom Boo really works nicely in this cocktail, so we're gonna be using this one. 2 ounces of our Boom Boo rum. So we're gonna just add 1 cube and we're gonna do a whip shake. The whip shake is gonna completely dissolve this cube and then we're gonna pack it with crushed ice. Gotta use the good stuff, clear ice from my man, the ice chef, by bartenders, for bartenders. So we want to make sure that this cube is done. You got to shake for quite a bit though. You pretty much have to go until you don't hear anything anymore. We're going to pour this right into a rocks glass. So now I'm going to take some crushed ice and I'm just going to completely top this up. For our garnish, we're going to take that spent lime wheel. We're going to put it right in. And to top things off, we got a nice healthy mint sprig. I'm just gonna slap the edge of the glass here. Just wanna make sure we get all that minty aroma. It's gonna release some of the aromatics, and then we're just gonna tuck it right beside our lime wheel. And there you have it. That is our classic Mai Tai. Let's give it a taste. Man, just the mint bouquet. I can smell the almond from the orgeat. Man, the lime juice balances out perfectly with the almond syrup. That orgeat is so rich. It's got a really nice, almost creamy texture to it. And then of course, that rum really comes through. Notes of vanilla I'm getting on the back end. I mean, this is a winner. Like, this is such a good cocktail. I could have 10 of these. Here are my pro tips to make the perfect Mai Tai every single time. Number 1. Orgeat is almond syrup. That doesn't mean almond liqueur. Don't use amaretto in a Mai Tai, please, for the love of God. All my resort bartenders, I'm talking to you on this one. Number 2, as always, you know the drill, freshly squeezed lime juice is gonna make the difference. So always use fresh. Number 3, use a dry orange liqueur. Cointreau, Grand Marnier, Pierre Ferrand's dry Curacao. Some of the other brands have a lot more sugar, and that's gonna throw off the ratios. Use a dry one or adjust your ratios with the simple syrup and the orgeat if you're gonna use McGuinness, let's just say. Number 4, sharing is caring. You order a Mai Tai, order 2, because I promise you, your friend is gonna want one by the time he tastes yours, okay? So those are my pro tips on how to make the perfect Mai Tai. Did I miss any? Let me know in the comments below. Now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite variations on the Mai Tai. We're changing things up quite a bit. So we're not using rum, we're using scotch. I call this one the Deaconcino. Are you ready? Hello. To kick things off, we're gonna be using the Deacon blended scotch. It is a fantastic whiskey. It's gonna bring a nice peaty flavor to our cocktail. We're gonna use 1.5 ounces of our Deacon Scotch whiskey. Up next, we have Italian Nocino. So Nocino is a walnut liqueur, often found in Italy as a digestif. I think it is going to be perfect in our cocktail to bring that same nutty-like flavor. 3/4 ounce of our Nocino walnut liqueur. For our acidity, we have some freshly squeezed lemon juice from our friends at Juice Concepts. We're going to be using 3/4 ounce of our freshly squeezed lemon juice. And for our sweet component, we are gonna be using Fit Cook's vanilla syrup. Big shout out to these guys. They sent me a bottle to test out, and I think it's gonna be perfect in our cocktail here today. 3/4 ounce of our vanilla syrup. We have our clear cubes, as always, from the Ice Chef, by bartenders, for bartenders. Now it's time to shake up our cocktail. Here we go. Now we're gonna double strain this into our nice coconut glass. Really bringing in the vibes with this one. For our garnish, we have a fresh mint bouquet. Same drill, we're gonna slap it on the edge of our glass here. We're gonna put it in like so. And to finish things off, I've got some freshly grated nutmeg right on top. I love a good spice note on my cocktail. And there you have it, that is the Deaconcino. Let's give it a taste, shall we? Man, the combo of mint and nutmeg is so underrated. Wow, there's a lot going on here. You get the smoke up front, you get the walnut liqueur, the vanilla comes in at the end. Highly recommend giving this a go. You made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have a cocktail you want me to make in the next one, let me know in the comments below. As always, I'm Mixology Matt. I don't make drinks, I make smiles. Catch you in the next one.